Hey everyone, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. So, I am so sorry that I haven't gotten a video out in a couple of weeks. Life has been a little crazy. It was my husband and I's 1-year wedding anniversary a couple weeks ago. So we went away for that, and then work's been a little crazy. I'm going to talk about work primarily for this week. I'm going on a business trip, but I'll talk about that later. So, I'm going to pre-plan this week of August 12th through August 18th. And hopefully I can get up another video soon. I do have some orders coming in, so hopefully I'll have a haul coming up soon. If there's any other types of videos that you guys would like to see, please let me know. I wouldn't mind recording a office tour, or my sticker storage and my collection and washi storage and collection and things like that. So if you want to see another type of video other than plan with me's and hauls, please let me know. You can leave a comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram, or really leave a comment somewhere, or and I would really like to hear your guys' opinion. So I'm going to be using this cherry kit from SweetRTDesigns. I got this in one of the recent planner sales that was going on. I don't remember which one it was, but I got this kit. Has the date covers and some full boxes, checklists, some deco and functional items in the middle, bottom washi and top washi. So that's the kit that I'm going to be using. And then throughout the week, I'm going to be using some stickers from the Coffee Monsterz Co. and the weather stickers from Stickeriffic. If you watched my other Hobonichi weeks plan with me's, you would have seen these stickers multiple times by now. This kit does come with bottom and top washi, but I'm going to be using this 10mm lime green polka dotted washi from Simply Gilded with silver foiling bows on it. See if I can get a little close up for you. Come on. I don't know if you could see the polka dots, but it's really cute. I thought it would tie in with the kit pretty well because of the lime green that's in here. So yeah, I whited out the bottom words as usual, and as well as the top. Okay, so I'm gonna start this video by saying that this wasn't supposed to be a voiceover. It was supposed to be a regular sit down and talk through plan with me video. Unfortunately, there's some sounds in the background that I can't really edit out that are really loud and kind of obnoxious, so unfortunately this video has to be a voiceover. I'm sorry. I know that I've put out a voiceover. I think one of my last videos was a voiceover, so I'm sorry about that, but unfortunately that's how it goes this time. So I'm putting down the bottom and top washi. This kit has the top washi that goes across the entire top part of the planner. I like to keep the month and the year showing instead of just blocking that out. So I do wind up just taking my slice tool and my ruler and just cutting off the extra. If you're ever wondering what tools I'm using or what stickers I'm using or the shops that they have come from, they are always listed in the description box below, so you can check that out. So I do like to set my date covers up a little bit differently, and if they are not one long strip, I like to lay them out so you read the actual date horizontally instead of vertically. it is easier for my brain to understand it. I don't really know why, but that's just how I like it. If you watched any of my other plan with me's, you will see that I've set them up like that before. So I just white out where the dates are pre-printed in the planner, and take some washi. Usually it's a 10 millimeter washi, and just lay that down. This is simply Gilded, the lime colored one with the white polka dots and silver foil bows. And I'll just lay that down and then cut with my slice tool again along the bottom. And then I will just take the date covers and lay those down. If you notice that my hands are kind of moving and there's obviously no sound or no stickers being shown, or I'm not doing anything, it's because, again, this was supposed to be a regular talk through video, so I tried to cut out like the dead face and just my hands moving as much as I could, but sometimes I just couldn't. So if you see my hands moving and nothing's happening, it's because I was talking in the video. So I do like to separate my date covers from the actual planning. So I took these washi strips, they're called glitter dividers from Bolderbon, and I just took the black glitter strip and laid that right up against the date covers. I just like the way that it looks, and I do like the way that it kind of just breaks up the date covers from the rest of the planning. And then I took the full boxes for the right hand side of the grid page. Usually I take a mono drawing pen from Michaels in the 03. They do come in a pack of 01, 03, and 05. And I take the 03 and draw the outline of the boxes and put the lines in to match where the days are on the other side, and I use it as a weather tracker. But this kit actually came with full boxes, and this is the first week that I'm actually using full boxes, and let me just say, it's so much easier than drawing it out. It's kind of nice. So you will see me in a second put down the weather stickers that are from Stickeriffic. I'm going to mention, though, that I have said before that I do live in Connecticut. However, this week I'm actually traveling on a business trip to Michigan. I am driving, so it's about a 13-hour drive from Connecticut. Luckily enough, one of my friends is coming with me, so she's a saint for coming with me. But like I said, I'm going to be driving. So these weather stickers I'm using to mark down Michigan's weather and not Connecticut's weather. I did forget to mention that I did use another one of those glitter dividers to separate the full boxes into the other side of the grid page. Again, I just like the look of it. It just kind of reminds me of the black outline that I normally draw, but I do like the look of this. I'm sorry that I didn't have the bottom half of the days of the week in frame. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that it was in frame. But I'm just taking the mono drawing pen and filling the highs and lows for the Michigan weather. So if you've seen my plan with me's before, you should know that I like to use the right hand side really for like a washi banner on top, and then habit trackers, and then a full box on the bottom. This kit doesn't come with a full box, so I used my pink reusable sticker album from Amazon and pulled one of my full boxes from there. It says yes you can. Like I said, I am traveling to Michigan. I work in a manufacturing company, but I am a instructor for first aid, CPR, and AED. So I'm going to be traveling to one of our Michigan plants to teach first aid, CPR, and AED, and to certify some of our other plant members. So I am using this full box that says yes you can, just because this is my first time teaching and I'm a little nervous, but I thought it was appropriate for that. And I'm taking my reusable sticker book again because I'm pulling a black and white page flag that you'll see, checklist flag, and a to-do quarter box, I guess, to mark along the top the things that I need to grab on Monday morning before I leave. again, like I said, normally I do a washi banner just for, decoration. But I really need to grab certain things with me on Monday morning, so I'm putting this list in to make sure that I do grab it. You can see that I kind of struggle for a couple of seconds to lay this page flag down because it kept pulling up every time I laid it down, and it was kind of frustrating me, but I finally did get it. And then I am just taking the Simply Gilded lime green washi again in the 10 millimeters and cutting the end of it into a page shape, or I'm sorry, page shape, a flag shape. If you check my other videos as well, you can see, or I'll show you how I make that flag shape as well as my normal washi banner if you'd like to check that out too. You could find those in previous videos. But I like to just separate again from the top and the bottom. So I just use another strip of washi, and then I'm taking my sticker album again and just picking 2 habit trackers. I took a red and a green one to lay those down to mark some medications that I need to remember to take. And I was looking at it afterwards and it reminded me of Christmas, but it's okay. So then for the day by day, I am going in on Monday and I'm just using one of the check flags, or check scallops, I guess you can call it. And I'm putting the car icon on top because at 8 a.m. on Monday morning I had to go pick up my rental car. And then I'm taking the driving emoji from the Coffee Monsterz Co. and putting that in the corner. Because like I said, I will be driving for about 13 hours that day, so really that's all I wanted to mark. You will see me go in, actually you'll see me go in kind of like throughout the week and add different things and move things around, but it's because I just wanted to use the stickers on the sheet, and I didn't really want to waste anything, so I kind of added in stickers here and there. So you could see me go in with the sticker album again, and I was going to pick like a quarter box or something, but I decided not to and just used the scalloped check list again for Tuesday. And then, like I said, I added in a sticker of a coffee cup on Monday just because I'm picking up my rental car and then I have to go pick up my friend and then we're going to run to Dunkin' Donuts before we leave. Tuesday, I said I just added that list. Wednesday and Thursday, I added in the nerdy emoji from the Coffee Monsterz Co. again. Those are the 2 days that I'm definitely going to be teaching my classes. From Wednesday, it's going to be 7 to 3 a.m. and then Thursday is going to be 11 to 7. So the nerdy emoji kind of just reminds me of me because I sometimes wear glasses and I just thought it was appropriate because I don't really have teaching stickers per se, so that's as good as it's gonna get. Thursday is also my payday, so I put those like dollars in there. Wednesday is a trash night for me back at home, so I have to remind my husband to take out the trash. Friday, there is a chance that I do have to stay at the Michigan plant and teach the overflow participants who want to come, but I'm not definitely sure yet. So I'm not sure if I'm coming home on Friday or Saturday, but I picked the weekend banner and put that down. And then I put laundry and clean the house between Saturday and Sunday just in case. Again, I'm not sure yet. And then I just put planning time. Decided to move that and layer that with the planner icon that was in there and lay that down on Sunday. And then you'll see me go back in and add, you'll see me move the dollar signs around, and then I will add in another coffee cup on Wednesday morning. Again, my class is at 7 a.m., so I'm going to have to get coffee before that happens. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to function. So I just layered that with the nerdy Coffee Monsterz Co. Emoji. And then I added in the mini banners from the kit on Wednesday and Thursday, just because after my classes, my friend and I are going to do a little exploring, so I'll just kind of add in whatever we do on those. And on Monday, I do also have to run to the store before we leave for some snacks for the car. And yeah, so then I'm just moving stuff around and adding some things in, and that's really it. Okay everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it, you subscribe to my channel, and you hit the bell icon so you can get a notification anytime I post. And make sure that you are following me on Instagram, as I will leave any information regarding this channel over there as well. Thanks for watching. Bye!